Like every coaching centers would say like study these materials, multiple sources. Like could you please address us what not to do during the preparation?
What not to do? Okay. Can I take a moment?
Sure.
Um, I think the first thing which is not to be done is trying to study like every book available in the market. We already talked about limiting the resources. There are multiple books available on various subjects. I think invest one day in finding the right book. But once you have the right book in your hand, don't have this feeling that somebody else is reading that book. He's saying this book is very nice, so I should read that one also. First, finish your study material and analyze what you haven't covered from the syllabus. How would you know कि आपने कुछ छोड़ दिया है? Go through your syllabus, see if any topic has been left, see some past year questions, analyze whether you have covered most of the topics or not. If you feel like something is left, see if you have some short-ended source so that you do not need to read another book from cover to cover. This would save a lot of your time, because I've seen students read a lot of books. They'll read 10 books on the same subject and still don't have the basic knowledge of the subject. The issue is not with the paper to know a lot of things. It's about having a general awareness of all the topics and then expressing it in the right way, your awareness. Also, the second thing is trying to imbibe someone else's roadmap. If you see somebody who has qualified from a very reputed college and then coming to this preparation and then saying that I did it in one attempt and I read these books, I've referred to these papers and I qualified. And now students would say that I will also do the same thing and I'll qualify. This is more about your own self-approach, your own self-discipline, how you decide to approach the paper, and how confident you are when you go on the last day. Confidence plays a big role. I remember when I was attempting my mains paper, there were, even in anthropology, paper 1, a big chunk of the paper I had read about it, but I was not very vividly aware of the topics. So I had brief ideas on the questions. So I thought, what would I do? It's an optional subject. I need to be very specific and descriptive. I need to quote writers, and if I don't do, I would not score. So at that moment, I just used my confidence and I said, I have to write this. I'll write this in the best way possible. If I'm compromising on my content, I'll improve on my presentation. I'll do this in a way that the examiner gets so impressed that he'll award me at least the basic points, basic marks, if not more than that. That is what I think must not be done, what I did not do, or if I did, I regretted it later that I shouldn't have done this. This would be my calling.
So I think I agree. The only thing that you shouldn't do is that believe in others. You should believe in yourself only. Because each and every one of you has come from a different environment and you have a different background. And you have to devise your own strategy, whatever suits you. So सुनो सबकी, but करो फिर अब finally अपने मन की, जो भी आपको सही लगे. So listen to others. There are a lot of toppers talk on YouTube videos. अभी हम लोग भी आके बोल रहे हैं, but this is not something which is set in stone कि इसी तरीके से selection होगा. The selection, the process, the paths of selection is very different for each and every person. So आपका background क्या है, आपकी retentive power कैसी है, आप कितना hard work कर सकते हो, आप कितना चीज़ों को रट सकते हो, समझ सकते हो, वो आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. सो आप अपने हिसाब से अपनी स्ट्रैटेजी को डिवाइस करिए. सभी चीज़ों को आपने ट्राई कर लिया कि ये आपको लगता है कि मुझे न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ने से अच्छा लगता है तो आप रोज़ न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ो. पर अगर आपको लगता है कि इट्स अ वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम, आई जस्ट rely on the coaching compilation, that is also fine. So there is no certain paths which anyone can show you कि इसी path से जो selection होगा. So make sure that जो आपको suitable लग रहा हो, आपकी टाइमिंग के हिसाब से, आपके जो भी ब्रेन की कैपेसिटी है या जो भी एक पर्सनैलिटी है उसके तरीके से ही आप अपने हिसाब से करो, क्योंकि कोई आपको बता नहीं सकता या कोई आपको डिक्टेट नहीं कर सकता. सो आई थिंक दैट इज़ वन ऑफ द एडवाइस विच आई वुड गिव यू कि एकदम अपने हिसाब से अपने कॉन्फिडेंस रहो कि यू कैन क्लियर दिस एग्जाम, और जो भी आपको स्ट्रेटजी सही लगती है वो एकदम आराम से फॉलो करो उसको. दैट वुड बी माय